Rcex 010 350G John Deere excavator. The keeper bolt came out on the bucket pin. While Tim was down in the hole digging. And while he was pulling it up, pulling the hard material up, the pin had come out halfway. This has bent the H-arm. The ear on the bucket. And also the bucket cylinder ram. I don't know if that's in a bind. Mike's here. Can I get him to look at it and see if that's, when they lift it up, if that can be, you know, if that unbends itself. If not, then that is bent. The excavator is down. Thanks.